Hello Primary 5, how are you doing? Now let's move to lesson 3 in concept 2. In this lesson we are going to talk about a new water body which is called watershed. Watershed, it's an area of land where collects water from different sources as sea, ocean and large river. So if I said we have here different sources of water or different water bodies, all of them collected in only one place or collected in an area, this area is called watershed. And we have the tributaries. They are small water bodies like this, like the small creeks or small streams that flow into bigger river. So if it's a river that collects the water from small creeks or small streams, this means they are called tributaries, and this part is called watershed. And the human activities causes imbalance of the water that leads to the drought, which means decreasing in the amount of water like this, that's drought, or the flooding, this means increasing the amount of water. So our activities or the human activities, it can cause the imbalance in the water. And let's note that the total amount of water that is used to do an activity equals the number of minutes of activity by amount of water in each minute. This means if I'm washing my hand with 1 liter of water, okay, and it took me 3 minutes to wash my hands. So what is the total amount of water that I used during washing my hands? Excellent. By multiplying the 3 minutes by 1 liter that I use per minute, this means I will use 3 liters of water to wash my hands. Let's move to the next lesson, lesson 4. And in this lesson we are going to recycle the wastewater by making a homemade filter or something like the filter. So recycling the wastewater, this means removing all the harmful materials from water. So to filter the water, we have to remove all dirts from the dirty water. We can put some materials like getting a bottle, cut the bottle into 2 halves and put this part of the bottle in the upside down like this. Then in the down we will cut cotton balls. So firstly we put cotton balls. The second we can put charcoal. It's a type of a biofuel, as we said in the last year. The charcoal, it comes from wood. It can filter the water. Number 3 or the first layer is sand. So we will put in this order sand, charcoal and cotton balls. After that we will pour the dirty water on this mixture or in this layer. Each layer, it has its own function to filter the water or to attract the dirt from the water. So after that, the water that passes from the cotton balls will be filtered water or clean water. That's all for this lesson. Let's move to worksheets. Okay, worksheet 3, put right or wrong. We must conserve the fresh water because it's limited on Earth. That's right, the fresh water is limited on Earth, but it's not limited by this way. This means it's we have a small amount of water on Earth. It's not limited. Number 2, building factories is from human strategies to control and conserve fresh water. That's wrong. To control the fresh water, we have to build the dams, not factories. Number 3, when there is more rainfall, the level of water in river will decrease, causing flooding. And that's wrong. When the rain, we have more rains, this means okay, we have flooding, but the river will not, the water in rivers will not decrease, it will increase. That's all for this lesson, and thank you for listening.